Hi, I'm Amelia. Learning English, you are not alone. Let's learn English together.
What's the point of learning English? It's a question many people ask. And maybe you have asked it too. You try to learn, but then you stop. You begin again. Then you feel stuck. You ask yourself, why am I even doing this? It feels hard. It feels slow. It feels lonely. And worst of all, sometimes you feel like you are not good enough, not smart enough, not young enough, not motivated enough. But let me tell you something. You are not alone. You are not the only one who feels this way. Many learners around the world feel the same. Some people learn English for exams. Some learn it for a better job. Some move to a new country and they need English to survive. But no matter the reason, many people quit. They feel like it's too hard, too slow, too confusing. They say, I study, but I don't remember anything. I listen, but I don't understand. I speak, but I feel stupid. Have you said this too? Let me ask you again. What's the point of learning English? Here's the truth. English is not just a subject in school. It's not just about passing a test. It's not only for travel or work. English is a tool to connect, a tool to grow, a tool to see more of the world. English is a key to new ideas, a key to new knowledge, a key to confidence. When you speak English, you open a door to more people, to more stories, to more freedom. Isn't that beautiful? You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Every day, just a little progress. Say this to yourself. I can learn English. I am improving step by step. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. My future self will thank me. You are not too old. You are not too late. You are not too slow. You are just in progress. And that's a beautiful place to be. Now maybe you're asking, but how can I learn better? Let me share something simple. If you want to speak better, you must listen more, and not just once. Again and again, slowly, clearly, every day. That's why I created this channel. To give you slow English listening, shadowing practice, real English used in real life, simple, clear sentences. Each video is short and easy. Each lesson helps you build fluency. No stress, no pressure, just step by step. Let me explain shadowing. Shadowing means you listen. Then you repeat. Right after, not later, not tomorrow, right now. With me. You copy the rhythm. You copy the sound. You train your mouth. You train your ears. At first it feels strange, but then it feels natural. Then it feels powerful. With shadowing, you don't just learn English, you become English. You speak, you feel, you flow. On this channel, you will find daily English conversations, common phrases and sentence patterns, motivational talks in simple English, fluency practice through shadowing, slow listening content for your ears. You can use them every day, at home, at work, on the train, even in bed before sleep. Little by little, English becomes your second voice. So now I ask you again, what's the point of learning English? The point is this: to connect, to grow, to dream, to become more. And if you are still here, listening, that means you are serious. You are ready. You are strong. So stay with me. Let's walk this journey together, step by step, one day at a time. Subscribe, practice, believe, and never give up. I'll be here waiting for you in the next video.